Hello dear game developers, you all are welcome to my YouTube channel Keshavox. My name is Dhruva Suthar. I would like to introduce my new playlist on Unity which will teach you all about basics of Unity. This playlist includes all the basic stuff of Unity like Unity 2D, 3D, mathematics for game development, Unity animation and movements, AI, gameplay and much more. So let's get started beginning with the basics. So what is Unity? Unity is a powerful game development engine that is used to create 3D, 2D, AR and VR experiences. It is known for its versatility and ease to use, making it a top choice for game development for beginners and experienced developers. So let's talk about the key features of Unity. Cross-platform development. Unity allows you to develop games and applications for various platforms including PC, Mac, iOS, Android, console, and much more. This means you can create experiences that can be enjoyed on a wide range of devices. Robust graphics. Unity offers a high quality graphics and a rendering engine that supports both 2D and 3D games and applications. It's perfect for creating visual stunning AR and VR experiences. Asset Store. Unity has an extensive asset store where you can find pre-made assets, scripts and tools to help speed up your development process for games. Scripting in C Sharp. Unity uses C Sharp as its primary scripting language, which is not only great for traditional games but also for developing AR and VR. Community and support. Unity has a large community which is active with a plenty of online resources and forums to help you when you are encountering difficult challenges. Unity has been used to create a wide range of games, from indie titles to blockbuster hits. Some well-known games developed in Unity include Hollow Knight, Cuphead, Oxenfree, Superhot, Moment Valley, Hearthstone, and my favorite Subnautica. And talking about AR and VR experiences, some notable examples include Pokemon Go, Beat Saber, Minecraft Earth, Job Simulator, IKEA Place, Tilt Brush, and etc. Unity offers different versions including a free personal edition and Pro and Enterprise edition. This versions cater to developers of all levels and project requirements. So enough explanation, hope so you like my video. Next video will be on the installation of Unity. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye.